3-ingredient app perfect for Thanksgiving. Ingredients are diced pancetta, 4 small sweet potatoes, and Good Foods guacamole. We're leaving the skin on, so rinse the sweet potatoes, get them nice and clean. Cut the ends off the sweet potato, and then cut these in slices about 1/4 inch thick, as you can see here. Cut the rest of the sweet potatoes and add to a bowl. Throw the pancetta into a pan. We're going to have the fat render out. We'll cook this until it gets nice and crispy. Once crispy, remove the pancetta, reserving the fat. Pour in that delicious pancetta fat. Also drizzle in some olive oil. Toss. Grease a sheet tray. Lay out the sweet potatoes. Season. Flip the sweet potatoes. Season the other side. We're going to bake at 425 for 20 minutes. Remove from the oven. Flip. Bake an additional 15 to 20 minutes. Grab yourself a plate. Add the sweet potato rounds. Dollop of guacamole. Throw on the pancetta. Last thing to do, grab yourself one and enjoy.